Good morning, traders. Welcome to our daily webinar. I have posted yesterday the video on Forex. You will get the video on stocks and indexes and metals today, and you will get the videos on crypto, the video on cryptos today. So right now we're going to do the crypto one, and then I'll post both of these out for you guys. I'll try to do them Saturday, Sunday next week because Sunday was a bit tight for me. Saturday was very busy. But I'll try to do them before the weekend, over the weekend, so you get them Monday morning ready to trade, right? Let's go. Let's start with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is in a consolidation, and if you look at it, you can see that they're kind of like doing this consolidation here, right? This is making some kind of a running flat pattern, I would assume. I don't think it's finished. Upside a little more, there's a good chance you're going to get an upside a little more because we've got a sharp wave coming into this. And I don't think this is part of the correction. There's a high probability for you to come back here. So when you get into this buy setup here, which is a buy setup right now forming, if you get that buy and it goes, at least to this stop, be careful of a running flat pattern. So you can see 1, 2, 3. There's a chance you're looking at a 1, 2, 3, and then come back down, right? So if you're lucky, and let's just assume for a second that, well, this is all the correction, and this is just the end of the structure, and they're going to go up. Well, you're in the buy, right? If you get into the buy. What you also have to be careful is this one becoming a running flat of its own, and they drop from this level. So if they're going to drop, you probably wouldn't be tagged. If they go up and start to pull back, you'd have to get out of the trade because it can be a flat here for more downside. It's becoming a complex corrective structure. See that? And it's looking more downside than upside. Could this be the big turn to the downside? I don't know that. There's a probably buy setup here. And when they get here, if they stop at that level to come down, that sell is an amazing one. And that could happen this week, and you should be in the sell. Right? So short term, I think it's upside, but I think this is a running flat for downside. Let's see how that plays. I will be updating it daily, but sorry, I wouldn't be posting it daily on YouTube. So if you want that daily one, send me a Skype message. You can check my Skype in the description. Let's go. XRP. Nice drop, right? It did drop very nice to this level, and if you close the trade, it's okay. But then I said this is a likely contracting flat, and I think it is. This one is looking upside. Now, how far would this go? Let's look at it in the 4-hour, right? So we have got this move down, 1, 2, 3. We've got this move up, 1, 2, 3. And we've got a big flat in the middle here. And that doesn't make sense. Why do we need a big flat in the middle there? Well, if you're making a 1, a 2, and a 3, you would have to break the top of this flat. And then that will tell us whether this is going to continue to go, or we will just break that top. We'll just break this top and come back right back here. So we can break that top, make a running flat here, come back to this level. If we break that top and we come down, we're definitely going up. So your buy will no longer be at 10. Your buy would have to be within this range. See? Right now there's a buy setup, but this looks short term to the upside. So let me show you this buy setup. We're going to go back to the 4-hour and go back to the 1-hour. So right now, I think this consolidation here that we are in right now is a buy setup for upside. And we would definitely break this top if they go. We might even break this top here. We might even break that top, right? There's a good chance that they are going to go from this level and break that top. Now you will have to wait for the breakout of it. It's not breaking out as yet, so you can put an entry order somewhere here and hope that they go very sharp to the upside. Break the top here. That is what I would do if I'm trading this. I'll put an entry order there, and I'll wait to see whether they do that. And at the top here, I'll take profit. Or I'll move my stops very close. Because from that point, there's still a good chance they come to make a running flat. Which means this becomes the B part in that structure, right? This becomes 1, 2, 3. And then we get this 1, 2, 3 here. We get a 1, 2, 3 here. And then this starts the uptrend. That will start a very big uptrend. See? So let's see how it behaves. That pattern could change, but right now that is the most likely pattern that I see. In any case, you're looking more for a buy. Can this crawl down some more here? It could, but I wouldn't be selling it until it breaks this low and go back up. Then I would look for the sell setup. So the buy setup is valid unless the low is broken. If the low is broken, that buy setup is no longer valid. You'll have to take it off, right? I'm not trying to sell this here. ETH, same here. You're getting a little upside, but this one is already confirming the break of the low. So I'm looking for running flat here, and that means you're looking for downside. How far down? Well, let's go see what it could go, how far this thing could go. Yeah, it could go very far. Remember, I told you when they break this top, when they break that top, that they can come back very much here. And that means that this could come back all the way to this level for a bigger running flat. See that? 1, 1, 2, 3. Come back here for the running flat, and then this takes off. So first you want this trade to the downside. That looks very likely. What are the chances they just make a consolidation here? They make a bigger consolidation here and go back up. It's possible, but it's very unlikely, right? So right now you're looking for a sell setup on the 1 hour. Actually, this sell setup is nice and it's worth taking. So you want this to go back up first. Darn, man, this chart is getting, okay, good. You want this to go back up first. You want this to go back up some more here. I don't think you should take that buy. If you want to buy, go buy the XRP, and then you look for that sell setup. That is how I would trade this. LTC. Okay, LTC is in a big sideways move here right now. And we already have a running flat here. See, I think this is a running flat, so there's a chance you go back and break the top before you come down. Right? Let's see if we have a buy setup or a sell setup. None. We don't have a buy setup. We don't have a sell setup, and I think we stay away from this for now. And somebody asked me to add this, so I'll add it. I have no idea what it is. Like I have no idea what most of these cryptos are. If this is, I don't even know if this is the correct chart or if this is all the charts. So you would have to, I search what he said, ADT, USDT. So you would have to tell me whether I'm using the right chart or whether I'm using also the right thing to set exchange. So you have to, when you put which one you want me to use the exchange as well. Tell me which exchange. On this is going up, so it's more uptrend. Nothing on it is strange. It's just going up and up. So what you're in here now is a consolidation. You would have to wait for this consolidation to finish and look for the next uptrade. At least for now, that is what it looks like. There's nothing much more there. It's just one uptrend. We haven't got a deeper correction, and it's not making a deeper correction as yet. Right? It's just slowly crawling up, very slowly, very messy. You'd have to, there are patterns in them. You just have to figure out each pattern as you go. So for now, I think you wait for this consolidation to finish and then look for an upside, basically. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. This one is very short. We only have 5 charts in it. It would be good to add 5 more charts, make it about 10 charts. That would give you about 15, 20 minutes. I can do all of that in 30 minutes and then post it for you. I want you to make your comments under this chart. Put all the ones you want me to look at. Everybody who likes them can click a like on the one you support. I would choose the top 5 that has likes or top 10 that has likes, put them in a poll on YouTube in the community section. You will go vote and the top 5 will put on. So we will have 10 to go. If some one of these you don't like, just let me know. I'll also take off that one or I'll put it to vote. I think Bitcoin will stay there. I think XRP will stay there. Those 2 are very nice. ETH might stay there. The other 2 you can decide on, right? So we can put all of that in a vote. So I hope this week you can make all your comments and put all your suggestions. And by the end of the week, we'll put it to a vote. And next week, you'll already have the new ones in the line, right? Thank you very much. I hope you like this. Watch the other 2 videos that I had on. Please share them. If you're only a crypto guy, share it in your crypto community. Let me get a feedback, whether they like this, whether they think it's a good analysis, and whether they would like me to do something special and, do some other ones for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great week ahead of you, and I'll see you next week. Trade with care. If you would like to have the daily one, Skype me. You have my Skype in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.